How to use DeepSeek on Android. To do that, the process is very simple, quick, and easy. Just follow these steps I will show you guys in this video. For that purpose, we will head over to Play Store, and inside Play Store we will search DeepSeek AI Assistant. Hit the install button and it will start installing this AI assistant for you. Wait a few seconds before you get this app installed, and once you get it installed, simply go and open it. Now once the app is installed, we will open it, and here we will sign in with our Google account. Once you are done with that, it will show you this kind of interface. Simply go and click on Start Chat, and now you can start chatting with DeepSeek R1 version. And just like that, you can use DeepSeek on your Android device. You can also go and add it in your WhatsApp, and to do that, the process is very simple. Simply save this number in your WhatsApp or in your mobile phone, and after that you'll be able to use DeepSeek on WhatsApp. That's how you can go and use DeepSeek on your Android. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.